Hello people, this is rinklegonsalves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to try making this tie top. I think it looks fabulous. And these are all the ties that I'm going to use today for this project. Most of the ties are old from my brother's wardrobe or my dad's, and some of them I got off Amazon. I will leave the link for the same in the description. This is everything that I'm going to need for today's project. When I first wanted to take the measurement, what I did is I took this particular tie and I basically picturized these two images right here, and I basically sort of got the measurement on how much I want to be on the cup and how much I want to be on the bottom, so that the design appears in its full form. Also, by the way, these nails are from Tiara the boutique. It's located in the area that I stay in, that is Vasai. I have applied it on both my nails for this project specifically. Just a disclaimer, I dislike wearing nails. I just feel like they are very tedious to handle, and that's why this I've stuck with the tabs, the stick-on tabs that come in, so that I can just get rid of it easily. I think I have to order more stick-on tabs just so that I can wear these nails. And you see the length of this is so short, just like the natural nails. That's what I love the most about it. Anyways, it's not sponsored, but let's get back to this. So I have decided for a very chic combination. So far this is what I have come with. It is just placed. I'm not yet started with the process. Relax, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make it. Honestly, when I'm clueless how it's gonna turn out. And I love this particular tie. It looks so high class, and there's a little thing here that has come off, but let me see, because I really want this tie to be somewhere in the front. You get the shade range that I'm going for. It's gonna be maroons and then some beige and blues, and as you can see, these colors are going to go maybe at the back. Even this is beautiful. This can go somewhere in the front as well. Then I also have this. It's very subtle and nice. I think it's better than this one, to be honest, but let's see. I have the first measurement. I'm gonna go ahead and chop this tie, and I think likewise I'll chop the other ties with the same length. This is super easy. I'm just cutting off the tie with this particular length. However, the first one is a little short. I'm almost done. By the way, they look so pretty and sophisticated, and I'm on to the last tie. This tie literally looks like my sofa cover and its pillow covers, but you cannot deny the fact how chic it is. Right now it looks a bit confusing, but let me make it clear here. Hold on. As you know, I've already cut the ties, and I was panicking that how this thing goes till the back, and I also wanted the tie to go till the back. So I'm so glad that the smaller parts are in the between, just as the picture. I'm going to make sure to stick it entirely directly till the back. You get the idea? So that it looks like a one part. But I still do not know how this is going to turn out. But I'm going to trust the process as always. I'm going to go ahead and stick the first fabric straight so that the rest can follow. So I have overlapped the second tie on top of the first one. As you can see here, in the middle of the project, I had to rip off all the ties because I noticed that in this image, the ties are straight here on the top. Can you see that? It's straight and then it's flowing down. And my ties, they were crooked in the beginning only because I was going as per the shape of this bra. So I have to redo that. So basically here it looks crooked, but when I lift it up, as you can see, it appears a little bit straight. Wait, I'm not able to show you that. It looks straight. My camera is crooked. I just scrapped it off for the third time. You can see it on my face. I'm just like getting annoyed at this point. Basically, I want the ties to be straight, but for some reason it is looking crooked. So without sticking, when I put it, it appears straight. So now that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put it first, see if it is straight, and then go ahead and stick it, because at this point the condition looks pathetic. So now, yeah, the point is to put it straight. This is kind of ready. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and stick the bottom pieces on each other, and I think the project is gonna be ready. It's the next day. I last night crashed. My ceiling fan is on, which is why there's a lot of noise. Don't mind. Let's get back to the project. Last night I just thought this is a failed project. After a few attempts I almost gave up on it, and in the morning I suddenly have the surge of somehow making it work, and I got an idea. So let me put that to test and see if this works. So I've planned to change its back completely, and that's why I am taking off this two pieces in the end and the maroon and the last piece from that side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the glue to stick these parts that are open.
A few moments later.
Now this is how it looks so far. I'm yet to think of this and that, but there is a slight opening here on the side. That's why I'm planning to squeeze in this extra fabric right here in this gap. So I have extended this strap. It's not visible because of my neat work. But yeah, there is an extended strap here. I'm just gonna go ahead and lay two fabric pieces straight like that and leave it open, and let's hope for the best. I just realized that when I'm covering this strap with this two ties, it's not getting covered, and anyways this is a stretchable material, so this might just snap off. That's why I'm planning to take this extra tie and just paste it here, then on that go on top with this two ties, if that is making sense. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze in the straps here and not stick it to the fabric. This is one tough project, so I'm just going to leave the straps open, literally open, and this I've put with gaps, so I've not stuck the fabric completely on it because when it stretches it will eventually come out. I just guessed and put it. Let's see. Now I'll just complete that last part from that side just like this, and this is how the tie top has turned out. I have paired it up with a sage green satin skirt and some jewelry with a nice hairstyle. I've also paired it up with golden heels. This is how it looks from the back. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you very soon in my next one. Until the next one.